Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. What did you learn in the previous class? We had already learned about the duties of the district collector, chief educational officer, health officers, policeman, and superintendent of police. Now I am going to ask some questions. Who are responsible for the government hospitals? Good. Health officers are responsible for the government hospitals. Who is the administrative head of the district? Good. District collector is the administrative head of the district. Who is our district collector? Good. Mr. V. Vishnu is our district collector. Okay, children. We had already learned about the district collector. Now we are going to learn some more details about the district collector. District collector is the administrative head of the district. Who appoints district collector? Every district has a district collector appointed by the state government to look after the administration, law and order in the district. Administration means managing any type of work. Law and order means the laws are generally accepted and obeyed so that society function normally. IAS officers are appointed as district collector. IAS means Indian Administrative Service. These IAS officers are selected through UPSC. UPSC means Union Public Service Commission. After passing the exam, they become a collector of a district. Who can write this exam to become a collector? All graduates are eligible to write the exam. Graduate means a person who has received a degree. What must be your age to write this exam? Your age must be 21 to 30 years. What are the duties of a district collector? District collector is the head of revenue department. Revenue means the income of a government from taxes. What's the meaning of tax? The money that you have to pay to the government so that it can provide public services. We had already learned about taxes in Panchayat lesson. Can you remember? In that lesson we learned about 4 kinds of taxes. What are they? Good. Household tax, tax for drinking water, professional tax, property tax. So tax means the money that you have to pay to the government so that the government can provide public services. Okay. Next one, maintains law and order in the district. Law and order means the laws are generally accepted and obeyed so that society functions normally. Wearing the helmet, free and compulsory education for children between 6 to 14 years. These are the examples for laws. Prompt actions during natural disaster are taken by the district collector. What is meant by prompt action? Prompt means immediate action. Natural disaster means a sudden and very unpleasant event in nature. A sudden and very unpleasant event in nature. For example, flood, earthquake, tsunamis, etc. During that time, immediate actions are taken by the district collector. Natural disaster causes damage to home and property. The district collector takes immediate action in this situation for the people to provide food, water, shelter, etc. Next, district collector has a major role in the development of the government. Development means growth. For example, to maintain law and order, to collect taxes, etc. District collector makes sure that the policies should reach the people. Policy means a plan of action agreed by a government. The government announced some policies. For example, National Health Protection Scheme. This scheme will cover poor families. Its users are people with low income in India. The district collector makes sure that the policies should reach the people. Children, we had already learned about the duties of the Chief Educational Officer. Now we are going to learn about the District Educational Officer. What is the role of the District Educational Officer? Managing all district level basic education such as appointment of teachers, developing and improving education, promotion of teachers and officers, educational practice, attendance of teachers and students, etc. What are his duties and responsibilities? Oversee training for teachers and students, coaching for teachers and students, ongoing support to teachers, tutors in order to improve education, working with students to develop and improve their skills. District Education Officer has a major role in organizing and managing education. In each district, there are 2 DEO officers. They monitor government and private schools under the district, serving lakhs of students. Children, today we have learned about the duties of the district collector and the district educational officer. Now let us recap the lesson. IAS officers are selected through UPSC. IAS means Indian Administrative Service. UPSC means Union Public Service Commission. These IAS officers are appointed as district collectors. District collector is the head of revenue department. District collector has a major role in the development of the government. District collector makes sure that the policies should reach the people. Prompt actions during natural disaster are taken by the district collector. Superintendent of Police follows the order of the district collector. District Educational Office monitors educational and administrative activities in the district. Children, today we have learned about the duties of the district collector and the district educational officer. Students, read the lesson, write the assignment. Thank you, children.